here, okay. Now go. Go. It's on video, so don't touch it. Just say something funny. You're making... Oh.
Hey, Tanya.
Hi, Sammy.
Do you like your hiccups?
No. It makes me sound like a chicken frog.
Chicken frog? What about chicken fish?
I'm scared to talk. What?
What about a chicken fish?
No. Chicken fish don't even make noises.
Chicken fish go blah 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 blah.
They're like blah 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 blah.
Blah That sounds really like a chicken. Hey, blubber mouth.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, blubber mouth.
What? I'm afraid to laugh.
Woo! Shut up! It's annoying.
Sorry. I can't help it. I really can't.
Praise the Lord that you have, that people invented a way to cure hiccups. Praise the Lord. Okay, back to Tanya.
Okay, turn it off. I can't take this anymore.
Swab the deck, you bouquet. Swab the deck.
Swab the deck.
Swab the deck.
Swab the deck. Swab on the deck.
Oh, I don't think I can handle this ice.
Ouch. Together. 1, 2, 3.
Ew.